Okay, so guys, let's talk about Clawdbot. Clawdbot is all over the internet right now, and it is taking all the hype for a good reason actually. So it is one of the first AI assistant that can actually work instead of just talking. But Clawdbot is not for everyone, of course. So this is not just another chatbot. It actually works on your machine. It connects to real systems, and that actually comes with a lot of responsibility. So this is the Clawdbot website, Clawd.bot. Right at the top it says the AI that actually does things. So that is the difference. Most of the AI tools today just do the talking, like answering questions, writing, or planning. But Clawdbot is built to take actions. It runs locally on your machine like Windows, Mac, or Linux. So instead of logging into it like ChatGPT, you are running an AI assistant that lives in your browsers, in your files. So instead of learning a new interface, you talk to it through the apps that you already use, like WhatsApp, Telegram. So you're not using a software, but you're actually working with a co-worker. Because Clawdbot runs on your machine, it has access to all the emails and files and everything on the computer. That's why the security matters. But you can decide what it can access, what permission it has, what it's allowed to do. That is good, but it is dangerous if you don't know what you are doing. Like if you just want quick answers or ideas, then you can just talk to ChatGPT or Claude. That's why Clawdbot is only for the people who are comfortable with setups, permissions, and responsibilities. Instead of starting from scratch, Clawdbot remembers all the context over time. It becomes your long-term teammate and not a one-off chatbot. That's why people are calling it Jarvis from Iron Man, because it is always on and integrated into your tools. Let me know what do you think about this. Yeah.